Now this is the size of it. I said if you look,
There's one next to us.
I think they've got mostly all the same, but if you look underneath, which that's where all the plumbing goes, that's where your poo goes down there. And you see how it's being held by here. This is the main bit. Look.
Actually, before when we were in
We
the
did. Let's go around this side.
Yeah, in the
There's that seagull again.
there.
So that's the main living quarters in here. Then we've got the kitchen.
It gets your food and like,
Then we've got the bathroom. No, sorry, that's the first bedroom. That is the second bedroom.